So here's how to create a Facebook group. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First you will need to log into your Facebook account. Then here you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now here you have to click on the groups, and once you click on it, now it will open this interface. Here you have to click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Once you click on this plus icon, now it will pop up this menu. From here you have to select the create a group option. After that, here you have to name your group and you have to select the privacy of your group. Here I'm going to add a random name, and after entering my name, now I'm gonna select the privacy. For now I'm gonna keep this group private, and after selecting this, now I'm gonna click on the done option at the top. Then here I'm also gonna select the visibility of the group and make it visible for all. After that I'm gonna click on the create group option at the bottom, and once you click on it, now your group has been created. Now here you have to do the basic settings of your group. You have to invite the members to your group. After sending the invitation, now you have to click on the next option at the top. Here you also have to add a cover photo to your group, and once you added the cover photo, now click on the next icon. Then here you have to enter the description of your group and then click on the next. After that, here you have to select the goals of your group. After selecting the goal, now click on the next. Now for the final step, here you have to do a post. Once you're done with posting, now you have to click on the done option at the bottom, and after that your group has been created successfully. So that's how you can create a Facebook group.